Hello guys, so in this video we will see how can we view the raster data in catalog and how can we copy it from a place to another. So as you know by now, when we created our georeferencing for 3 raster images or 3 images for Southern California in ArcGIS desktop, we saved the georeferencing data with these images. So right now if we go to the same folder where we saved this data when we work on it on ArcGIS desktop, so let's create a new folder connection and we will open our course data and we will go here to our advanced folder California. You will see here that you have 3 raster images, 1 GIF, 1 JPG and 1 PNG, and we already did the georeferencing for these images. So that means when I go to the folder location of these images in the advanced folder for ArcGIS desktop, you will see that for each image there is a GFWX and XML file saved with it, and these 2 files for each image saving the georeferencing data. So if I copy these images from a catalog by selecting all of them and right click and say copy and go to my folder for ArcGIS Pro and right click here and say paste, it will actually copy the images with the georeferencing data that we used to create before. It shows up here as one image, but in reality if you go to the folder location, this is ArcGIS Pro folder, you will see that you have the same files you created because we copied these images through catalog. So if we go back here and we try to view this data in our ArcGIS Pro folder, when you click on it and you go to geography, when you click anywhere on the map, you will get the same thing like any other raster in catalog. You will get the pixel value and the ARGP or the alpha, red, green, blue values, and here it shows you the right location for this pixel based on the coordinate system and the georeferencing we did before. To show you that more, if I zoom out here a little bit, you will see that my image already in the right place because we did the georeferencing for it before. But because we need to see how can we create a georeferencing on ArcGIS Pro, what we will do is we are going to remove Orange County cities. We will delete it from here, say yes, and we will go to ArcGIS desktop folder, and here we will copy only OC cities, only the PNG file. We are not going to copy anything else, and we will right click here and we will say copy, and we will go to ArcGIS Pro folder and we paste it here. So as you see right now, the LA freeways have the georeferencing data with it, and California GIF have the georeferencing data with it, so we don't need to do georeferencing for it again on ArcGIS Pro, but we will do the georeferencing again for Orange County cities. And when you go to ArcGIS Pro and you right click here and say refresh and you try to view this Orange County cities, because it doesn't have any georeferencing, you will see that it's located in the middle of the map and it's totally in the wrong place where it should be. So also if you click on it anywhere here to identify any pixel, you will see that you will have a very distorted location for the lat and long of this specific pixel. So when we add this data, our feature classes and this 3 raster images to our map right here in the next video, we will see that we need to do georeferencing for this image, but for California counties and LA freeways images, it will be in the right place because we did the georeferencing for it before. So the last thing I want you to know, if you want to send someone a georeferenced raster image, you need to send the image itself plus any other XML files included with it. So if you send someone the GIF by itself, it's not going to be in the right location, but in order to have it in the right location, you just need to copy these 3 files and send it to the person you want to share it with. And that's it for this video and how can you view your raster images on ArcCatalog, and what's the difference between copy the raster images through catalog or through your folder location, and what is the XML files does, and how can you copy it with the georeferencing or without the georeferencing. And in the next video we will add the data and start to do some georeferencing and do some editing. So we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.